Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw an Easter basket surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Easter basket surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. The first step is to line up the corners and give it a nice little fold. This way it looks like we're making a birthday card. Next, I'm going to fold my paper again, and I'm going to give it a nice fold like this. This way it kind of looks like a big bookmark. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines in here, and these lines show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I always like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for my surprise fold. Now to start off with this, let's begin by drawing a line right across the top of the fold. I actually like to turn my paper a little bit just so I can really get a good line. So I'm just going to draw this line right across the top here. I'm going pretty far because I want a nice long line for my basket. Sometimes I draw over this just a little bit more to really get that nice long line. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down on each side. The next step is we want to connect this line here. So I'm going to go ahead and just draw a nice line that comes right across. The next step is to draw a line that comes down on each side, and I like to bring it in just a little bit. Now after we do that, I like to connect this with kind of a curved line. So I like to bring this line down and then up to here. And then I like to make another smaller curved line right across the bottom here. Now for some detail, let's add some little curved lines on here, kind of at a diagonal. And we're just going to bring these right across the top here. And then I'll do them the opposite way on the bottom, just to make it kind of look a little bit more of like a basket. Now, I want to give my basket a face, so I'm going to make a little circle for an eye. We'll leave some space and we'll make another circle for an eye right over here. I'm going to make a little black dot for the pupil, and I'm going to make these looking up. I'm going to draw a nice long line across and a big smiley face shape with a big sad face shape for the tongue. Now, right across the top, we're going to make the handle of our basket. So what I'm going to do is, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up to here. And then I'm going to make another line that just kind of curves up and then around to here. We'll do the same thing here. We're just going to come up and curve in. And we'll do the same thing here. Come up and curve in. Now in the middle here, I'm going to make a bow. So I'm going to draw a circle shape. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up, down, and then back up. Same thing here. I'm going to go up, down, and then back up. And then I'm going to just make sure this line connects here. Then I'll add a little line inside of here for the inside of my bow. Now inside of here, I'm going to put some little bunny ears. Now to do this, I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up to a point, and then we're going to bring this down. And then inside of here, I'm going to draw the same shape, go up to a point and then down. Over here, we're going to make kind of like a bent bunny ear. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up a little bit. We're going to come over. Then we're going to come down and then back up. Then I'm going to make one, 2, and then 3 little lines here. Now the next step is to open this up and work on the inside. Now once we open this up, we have 2 halves of our little Easter basket. And we want to go ahead and work on the fun details in the middle. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring these ears down just a little bit farther. So I'm going to bring each one of these lines down just a little bit, right past the fold. And I'm going to do the same thing on this one. I'm going to bring all 4 of these lines down just a little bit farther. Right here, I'm going to draw a little curved line, like a sad face. And then I'm going to turn this into a bunny. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve around and then in. And then same thing here. I'm going to go out and then in. Right here, I'm going to draw a circle for an eye, and I'll do that same thing over here. Then I'm going to put a little dot inside each one for the pupils. I'm going to draw a little line across and a little V shape for the nose. I'll make 2 curved lines for the mouth. And then we'll draw a big U shape right there. I'll make a little rectangle shape with a line down for the tooth and a little sad face for the tongue. And I'll just color in this part right here. Now I want to give my bunny some arms. So I want to draw a line that's going to come out on each side. We'll make a little bump for the thumb. And then I'll draw a little line that's going to curve around and then come back. Same thing here. Little line's going to curve around and then we're going to bring it back here. Next, I'll draw a line that comes down on each side. And then I want to draw the leg. So I'll begin here by making a curved line. And then a really big, tall oval shape that's just going to come down to here. And then we'll come right to here. Make a little curved line for the bottom of the bunny. And then we'll make this leg come down. So I'll draw a line that comes down here. And then a line that's going to come down and then back up to here. I'll draw 2 little curved lines for the toes. And then over here, I'm going to make 1, 2, and 3 little circles with a big oval shape right here. Over here, I'm going to draw a circle shape and then another circle shape over here. We'll make a little circle shape on each thumb. And we'll draw about 3 little circle shapes at the top, just for little parts of the paws of our bunny. We'll make a little oval for the belly of our bunny. And then a little bumpy line over here for the tail. I'm also going to make a couple little whiskers on each side of our little bunny. And we'll give our little Easter bunny some little eyebrows. Now, right underneath here, we're going to add some Easter eggs. So I'm going to begin by making a couple rounded shapes. So I'll make a big oval shape here. And then another oval shape right here. I'll do 1 here. I'll do 1 right here. And 1 here. Then I'm going to add some details on here. I'm going to make some little wavy lines that come across. I'm going to make some little polka dot shapes on here. I'll draw some curved lines here. And a few zigzag shapes over here. And this one I'll make some lines that come up and down. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down to the bunny. I'm going to jump over it and come right to here. And then same thing, I'm going to come down, jump over it and right to here. Same thing here, we're going to go down to the bunny, jump over it and bring it down. And then same thing here, down to the bunny, jump over it and then bring it down. Then I'm going to make a few little things kind of flying out of here for our little Easter bunny. Right here, I'll make a little egg shape with a couple little details on it. We'll do another one over here too. We'll make a couple little fun details on there. I'll make a little peep up here, so I'm going to draw a curved line. And then a little curved line here. A line here, and then a big curved line right here. I'll do two little dots on here. And then over here I'm going to make a little carrot shape. So I'm going to make a long skinny oval with some little lines on here and a couple little bumps here. Then I'll make a little chocolate bunny right here. I'll make two curves with two pointy ears and a little curved line here. And then we'll just make some little lines coming off of here just for some details. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little Easter basket surprise fold. So when we have it all folded up, we have our cute little Easter basket with some bunny ears. And then when we open it up, we have a bunny popping out of there with all sorts of fun little details. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.